I explained to the children that there was nothing normal about pain or having headaches. And a little girl raised her hand and she said, "You mean it's not normal to have that normal everyday headache?" And I said, "Do you think it's normal to have a headache every day?" And she said, "Yes." And I asked the children, "How many of you think that it's normal to have a headache every day or about every day?" And 12 out of the 30 children raised their hands, said they had a headache almost every day. Now there was something about that term, normal everyday headache, that bothered me. And a few days later I was flipping through the TV channels and I realized what it was, that I'd heard that slogan many times before. It was in an advertisement for aspirin. It said, "For that normal everyday headache, take," and you fill in the blank. I think you know what it is. And in logic, that's called the fallacy of repeated assertion. You know, if you hear a lie 10 times, it becomes the truth. But we are teaching a whole generation of young people that one of the primary reasons for headaches is aspirin deficiency. And that is not a cause of headaches.